In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch flights on Google Flights. This comprehensive guide will show you step by step how to navigate Google Flights to monitor flight prices effectively for any destination of your choice. Whether you're planning your next vacation or just looking to grab the best deals, this tutorial has got you covered. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Flights. You can easily find the website by typing https://www.google.com/travel/flights into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by Google Flights' user-friendly interface designed to make your travel planning as smooth as possible. Before diving into the features, it's important to sign in to ensure a personalized experience. Look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Sign In button. Clicking on it will bring up a prompt asking you to choose your Google account. If you're already signed into your Google account on another service like Gmail, this step might be skipped automatically, taking you directly to the password entry. Next, you'll be asked to enter your Google account password. Go ahead and type it in. Remember, the key here is security, so make sure you're entering your details on the official Google site, which should be indicated by the secure icon in your browser's address bar. After typing in your password, simply click Next to proceed. Upon successfully logging in, you're ready to start planning your trip. Navigate to the destination field to begin. This field is intuitively designed and located at the center of your screen, easily recognizable as a starting point for your travel search. For visual aid, you can refer to the included image showcasing the destination field. Now it's time to let Google Flights know where you're headed. Type in your desired destination into the destination field. Google Flights is quite flexible, allowing you to enter specific cities, countries, or even landmarks, and it will still understand what you're looking for. An additional image is provided to help visualize this step, showcasing examples of how you might enter a destination. Choosing your departure and return dates is the next critical step. Click on the Dates field, where you'll be presented with a calendar view to select both your departure and return dates. Depending on your flexibility, you can choose exact dates or use Google Flights suggestions to find the cheapest options. Again, an image accompanies this step to guide you through the date selection process. Once you've selected your dates, finalize this part of the search process by clicking Done. This step solidifies your choices and prepares you for the next, which is the actual flight search. The visualization here is key, as shown in the included image, highlighting the Done button within the date selection interface. With your destination set and dates picked, it's time to hit the Search button. This action will prompt Google Flights to sift through countless options to bring you a list of suitable flights based on your criteria. The speed and efficiency of Google Flights in displaying a wide variety of flights is truly remarkable, making it easier for you to compare and decide on the best option. The final and most crucial step for those looking to grab the best deals is setting up alerts. Turning on alerts for any dates allows Google Flights to monitor prices for you, notifying you whenever there's a price drop or a particularly good deal. To do this, simply look for the option to turn on alerts after conducting your search. You'll find it straightforward, with clear indications on where to click to enable this helpful feature. By following these steps, you're not just planning a trip, you're ensuring that you get the best possible deal by staying informed on price changes. Google Flights does more than just help you book flights. It empowers you to make informed decisions by providing comprehensive, real-time information that's easily accessible. And that's it. You now know how to navigate Google Flights to watch flights, set alerts, and ensure you're always ahead of the game when it comes to booking your travels. Remember, the key to snagging the best deals is not just about searching, it's about monitoring the flights you're interested in, and Google Flights makes this both possible and easy. Thanks for watching. Whether you're planning an adventure, visiting family, or preparing for your next business trip, you're now equipped with the knowledge to use Google Flights like a pro. Safe travels, and may you always find the best deals on your journeys.